Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bitly, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Bitly, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type bitly.com and press enter. Once the Bitly homepage loads, look for the sign up button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will see options to sign up using email or social media accounts. If you choose to sign up using email, fill in the required fields with your name, email address, and a password. If you prefer to use a social media account, click on the desired platform and follow the prompts. After completing your registration, check your email inbox for a verification message from Bitly. Open the email and click on the verification link provided to confirm your account. Once your account is confirmed, return to the Bitly homepage and click on the login button. Enter your email address and password to access your Bitly account. After logging in, you will be greeted with the Bitly dashboard. To create your first shortened link, look for the Create button usually located on the top right. Click on Create and a new pop-up window will appear. In the provided field, paste the URL you want to shorten. Once you have pasted the link, click the Shorten button. Your shortened link will be generated, and you can copy it to share as needed. Explore additional features such as link tracking or custom link options to enhance your usage of Bitly. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and set up Bitly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.